Ever wondered if you could blend the charm of a vintage typewriter with the raw power of a modern gaming setup? Well, this generic gaming keyboard and mouse combo claims to do just that, promising a unique retro style without sacrificing an ounce of performance. Right out of the box, what immediately grabs your attention is that distinctive round retro-style keyboard. Those unique round keycaps, paired with a floating key design, truly transport you back in time. It's not just a gimmick. It genuinely brings a nostalgic feeling, making your desk setup stand out with an eye-catching aesthetic that's far from the usual angular gaming gear. It's a bold design choice, and honestly it works. But looks aren't everything, especially for gamers. Underneath that charming exterior, this keyboard boasts blue switches. Now, if you're familiar with mechanical keyboards, you know what that means. Custom mechanical switches designed for longevity, responsiveness, and durability. You get that satisfying medium resistance, the audible click sound that many enthusiasts adore, and that unmistakable tactile feedback with every press. For gaming, this translates to precise inputs and a really engaging typing experience. And speaking of precision, the anti-ghosting with 104-key N-key rollover is a huge win. It means you can mash multiple keys simultaneously in the heat of battle, and every single input registers with high speed, thanks to each key being controlled by its independent switch. That fast response is crucial for high-grade games. Then there's the visual flair. The Preset 9 mode-led backlight keyboard is a treat for the eyes. The double-shot injection, molded keycaps ensure that the backlight is clear and vibrant, while also offering extreme durability. It really invites your eyes and can even help relax your body during those long gaming sessions. It's not just a static light show. The different modes add a dynamic element to your setup. And let's not forget the mouse. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a full combo. The ergonomic design of the mouse fits naturally in your hand, which is essential for comfort during extended use. Both the USB keyboard and the gaming mouse are incredibly simple to use, truly plug and play. No wrestling with additional software or firmware, which is always a relief. So, what's the verdict on this generic retro gaming combo? It's a surprisingly effective blend of old-school charm and modern gaming functionality. If you're looking to inject some personality into your gaming station without compromising on the core mechanical keyboard experience, especially with those satisfying blue switches and robust anti-ghosting features, this combo offers a genuinely unique proposition. It's a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to stand out, while still getting solid performance for their laptop or computer gaming needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.